welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa Hill. Thanks so much again for tuning in. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button after the video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up as well as leave a comment. Love to hear from you guys. If you have any questions about the video, if you want to just say hi, what's up, feel free to do so. Want to give a shout out to my boy Nolan. Hey Nolan, thank you so much for all of your support, watching all my videos and leaving amazing comments. Really appreciative of you. This one goes to you. If you want a shout out on any of my other videos, don't forget, leave a comment and I may give you a shout out in my next video. So today we are doing an unboxing. It has been quite the busy week. Today the unboxing is for the Air Jordan 5 Retros, the Fire Reds. These are actually going to be launching tomorrow. So hopefully you're tuning into this video to see whether or not you like the shoe and if you should buy the shoe. So let's get into it, shall we? Open these up. All right. So pull them both out. So we're looking pretty fresh. So I get my Jordans in a 7.5. I'm a woman's 9 and men's 7.5. These fit me perfectly. I don't really size up or size down. I stick to my neutral, natural size. Neutral, natural. Don't know if that makes quite sense. My exact size. So let's take a look at these. I love this color. So this shoe has actually been launched to the public 4 times prior to this re-release. This is a colorway that we've already seen before. It's the OG colorway, the black. We've got the red here. I love how this shoe actually has a lot of embroiderment. So if you can see, this is a 3M tongue right here. And this is actually quite sparkly. And we've got the OG Jumpman logo right here. It's nicely embroidered and stitched in there. I love that. It's almost got like a kind of 3D look to it. Ooh, we've got this nice lace tightener here. It's got like the Nike on the clear portion and it's red on the inside. Just to let you guys know, this is actually the first Jordan to feature this lace lock system. And I actually just did a video on the Fear of Gods previously. And if you notice, there's a similarity. They both have the lace locks. Well, I think you may have gotten that idea from the Air Jordan 5s. I love the original on here. It's the, if you look on the lateral side, so this is actually inspired by the Spitfire plane from World War II. And the Spitfire planes were flown by the Royal Air Force. And so that's where they got this actual design from, which is very cool. On those Spitfire planes, they actually look like sharks. So that's where that inspiration is that they added here to the lateral portion of the shoe. Then on the medial side, we've got our nice bubble here that you can see all the cushioning effects that are going on inside that shoe. And then on the bottom, we've got our Jumpman logo and it's nice and clear. Lovely Nike going on here. Some breathability on the sides here. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but on the Air Jordan 5s, it's quite chunky on the outside. And the reason that this is super bulky and has like these massive bulges on each side of the shoe, it was actually created that way to protect the ankle. And so it was sculpted in a bulkier manner just so you could get that support and comfort, but also for that good protection on the shoe, which is pretty cool. Got some basic white laces here. I'm looking inside the shoe. It looks like the sole is, let's see what we have in there. The insert for the shoe is black and white with Nike Air. And we have the Nike Air logo on the back. It's actually nicely embroidered. So that was like a nice little added touch here. On the previous Air Jordan 5 that was released for the retros, this was actually swapped. This was the Jumpman logo. So that's the difference from the latest release prior to this in 2013. The difference on that shoe was that it had the Jumpman logo versus this one that has the Nike Air logo from the OG one that was released in 1990. All right, so now that we've kind of looked at the shoe, we're gonna get into a little bit more history. So the reason that this is actually called the Fire Red shoe is because of this. Yeah, it kind of looks like fire, right? And that's where we talked about how it was inspired from the Spitfire planes in World War II. So the reason that Tinker decided to go with this 3M tongue was basically to make it more flashy. And it's definitely a flashier tongue. Definitely can see what's going on here. And on this one specifically, it's got this lovely sparkly metallic silver on it. So the clear rubber sole actually on the bottom, this is the first Jordan to have launched a clear sole on the bottom. I love a clear sole, but the problem with clear soles, over time, no matter what you do, that clear sole is going to start to turn almost like a brownish color. So over time, no matter what, you're going to have to deoxidize that. So as much as I love a clear sole, when you first get it brand new, it looks amazing. But my worry is, what's that going to look like 5 years from now? But good to know, first Jordan with the clear sole on it, right? And the idea from that actually came from Back to the Future 2 for that clear sole concept. And Tinker Hatfield was basically in charge of designing the shoe for Back to the Future, and so it inspired him to add it to the Jordan 5 here. This is actually the first Jordan that has molded foam into a shoe upper. So up here, this section is actually all molded and definitely molded to have a bit more comfort when you put your foot into this shoe. Originally released in 1990, the shoe was re-released in 2000 in other colorways, but other than appearance of the shoe, everything stayed completely the same. And then in 2006, it was re-released again, but these colors were actually flipped. The black was flipped with the red, even the tongue was black inside, so there were slight different variations as far as like the color goes. And additionally, the 23 was added to the side of the shoe as well. And so total, there were 4 models of the 5 re-released to the public, now including this one. And most importantly, Jordan actually was wearing this exact silhouette when he hit his career high of 69 points in a game.
1977.
Cleveland is absolutely shell-shocked right now. They can't believe that Michael Jordan can continue to do this to him. This has been unbelievable.
69 points for Michael Jordan. And that puts Jordan in, let me just count them out loud here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th place all time on NBA scores.
What a crazy achievement. And to be wearing the silhouette, that's pretty baller. So every time I put these shoes on, I'm going to think of Jordan when he hit that mile high of 69 points in a game. That's crazy. A lot of you are probably wondering where you can buy these. This is actually going to be a wider release. So they will be released at Foot Sites. If you don't know what Foot Sites are, that's Foot Locker, Eastbay, Champs, and Foot Action. You can also see these shoes getting launched on sites like Finish Line, JD Sports, even Dick's Sporting Goods will be releasing these shoes on Saturday. And as usual, you're going to obviously see these on Sneakers, which is where I got mine, Feature, Extra Butter. All right, so for all my resellers out there, this section of my channel is for you. We're gonna go into how the Jordan 5s are reselling currently. Looks like it was retailed for $200, but according to StockX right now, they're going for around $240 to $250. So net of fees, you're probably just taking home some lunch money. So I wouldn't say that this particular silhouette is going to put a ton of money in your bank. Unfortunately, the Jordan 5 silhouette just doesn't do as well as other silhouettes. I did a video previously on the Court Purples, and those are doing much better, but also those are Jordan 1s. So it's hard to compete with Jordan 1s and Jordan 5s when you're in that resale game. It's just kind of, you know, popular, less popular. Not to say these aren't popular shoes, just on the resale game currently, these are just not selling as well as other silhouettes. Good luck to all of you who are wanting to cop this shoe tomorrow. I wish you all the best of luck. This is a great shoe overall. I'm gonna get you guys some images of what these look like on feet. But overall, this is an OG shoe. So get out there, guys, tomorrow. Wishing you all good luck, and we'll see you next time at another unboxing. Don't forget, guys, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget, leave a comment if you have any questions on anything that I went over in this video.